Welcome back to Legacy News, where we bring you the perspectives of the legends of the Bible and the people who tried to stop them.
Today we're talking about Nehemiah, the man who rebuilt Jerusalem's walls in the face of incredible opposition.
That's right. While the people worked day and night with tools on one hand and weapons in the other, there were enemies determined to stop them. Our reporter went to the construction site to hear from two of those very men.
I'm here at the wall where Nehemiah and the people are working hard to rebuild. Joining me are Sanballat and Tobiah, two men who tried to stop this project. Sanballat, tell us what you did.
We mocked them. We said, what are these Jews doing? Even a fox could knock over that wall. We spread lies, hoping their hands would grow weak.
Yeah.
And Tobiah, you went even further.
I sure did. We planned attacks. We wanted to make sure that they were afraid. Always looking over their shoulders, hey? Always looking over their shoulders. And you know what? Fear can stop a man faster than any other weapon.
But Nehemiah didn't stop, did he?
No, he prayed. Then he armed the workers. Half of them built a wall, while the other half stood guard. And slowly but surely the wall kept rising.
Yeah, we tried everything. Lies, plots of violence, even multiple invitations of truce. But Nehemiah kept resisting, saying he couldn't come because he can't leave the important work he's doing. The audacity.
And in the end, nothing worked and the wall was restored.
Wow, what a picture of resilience. Nehemiah didn't give in to fear. He trusted God and he led with courage.
And as Nehemiah's story reminds us, when God calls us to build, no enemy can stop us or tear us down.
That's right. That's it from Legacy News.
See you next time. Bye.